Ranges can be sorted using the sort ascending and sort descending commands. Select the range. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, select Sort and Filter. Click Sort Ascending. It will sort values from smallest to largest. Ascending from A to Z. Now we sort numbers in descending order. Select the range. Select Sort and Filter, click Sort Descending. It will sort values from largest to smallest. If you have 2 or more columns with related data, then sorting just one column will result in a warning. To sort a range that has more than one column, the whole range has to be selected. Sorting just one can breaks the relationship between columns. Expand and sort makes the sort function include other columns and sorts them in relation to each other. Select the whole range when sorting ranges with more than one column. When sorting multiple columns, it will always sort by the first or leftmost column.